Hello, it's World Emoji Day today. It's the day we celebrate the little cute icons that save us time having to write out words or can be used when we want to be a little bit flirty. Yes, so let's hope on Emoji Day that you feel and that nothing happens to make you. I hope what you're wearing today is, and that something happens today to make you. If you don't like emojis, then as today we should, as all the little cute icons should be celebrated that make us or. So send a or and be a. After all, what would we do without emojis?